Climate change is impacting many aspects of our environment, and our feathered friends are no exception. The rising temperatures are changing the annual cycles and migration of birds across North America. Long-term tracking of North American bird species has shown that many birds are shifting their winter and breeding ranges north over time. If this trend continues, more than half of birds in North America could be forced out of their ideal habitat by 2080. In addition, research shows that birds are starting their migrations earlier in the year due to climate change. While their food sources are also experiencing this phenomenon, they often do not advance at the same rate. This means migrating birds would often arrive too early or late to the peak times of food supply. This is just one example of an issue scientists call phenological mismatch. How can we help? Reducing your carbon footprint with actions such as reducing food waste and car usage helps birds and the earth as a whole. You can also consider adding native plants to your yard, which provides resources to local birds and reduces your yard's water usage.